Ooh, it's a beautiful morning. All right, a little bit about me. I blogged online 10 years ago, working 2 full-time jobs. It was pretty tough. Made a little bit of money, but it was exhausting. So I took a long time off. I'm back online. It's been almost a month now, and I'm enjoying my new business. And it's very affordable. What I love about it is that I have no monthly fee. My race is my pace, and it's a 6-figure blueprint. I just work 2 hours a day. I do some videos. I post some posts, and it's pretty much an easy step by step. And yeah, I'm loving it. And I never make videos, and this is like I only did a few, but I'm getting better and better, and I enjoy it. So yeah, and we have a community that we lock arms together. We help each other out, and it's very active. And yeah, it's digital products, evergreen. So if this sounds interesting to you, you wanna have a business of your own with a 6-figure blueprint, 2-hour workflow, put yes in the comments, and I would absolutely love to share it with you. All right, I will see you soon.